on 6th December, right? Well, let's unbox it. So, if you look at this side, then you see
Hi guys.
the whole series.
Yeah, it's a complete series.
From the Philosopher's Stone till the Deadly Hallows. But, okay, let's begin with the begin. Get the flipping plastic of it.
Really slowly. Slowly.
Okay, it's unboxed. Step 2. Check it out.
How many books?
7, Mama.
1. Let me see.
Whoa, that's a big lake. Look.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Did you see
3,
what
4,
book
5,
is that?
6.
Read to show. It's a Harry Potter book.
The Philosopher's Stone.
The second book.
Then we have the Chamber of Secrets.
Oh, this one I already read it when I was in college. At the Princess Hallows.
The Prisoner of Azkaban. The Goblet of Fire. The Order of the Phoenix. The first one, turning the envelope over, his hand trembling, Harry saw a purple wax seal bearing a coat of arms, a lion, an eagle, a badger, and a snake surrounding a large letter H. Harry Potter has never even heard of Hogwarts when the letters start dropping on the doormat at number 4 Private Drive. Addressed in green ink on yellowish parchment with a purple seal, Harry is swiftly confiscated by his grisly aunt and uncle. Then, on Harry's 11th birthday, a great beetle-eyed giant of a man called Rufus Hagrid bursts in with some astonishing news. Harry Potter is a wizard, and he has a place at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. An incredible adventure is about to begin.
So that is book 1.
Yes.
Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Okay.
Then,
guys.
the Chamber of Secrets. There is a plot, Harry Potter. A plot to make most terrible things happen at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry this year. Harry Potter's summer has included the worst birthday ever. Doomy warnings from a house elf called Dobby, and rescue from the Dursleys by his friend Ron Weasley in a magical flying car. Back at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry for a second year, Harry hears strange whispers echo through empty corridors. And then the attacks start. Students are found as though turned to stone. But the sinister predictions seem to be coming true.
Okay. This is nice. Get it on board. Where is it?
Then the Prisoner of Azkaban. Welcome to the Night Bus, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard. Just stick out your one hand, step on board, and we can take you anywhere you want to go. When the night bus crashes through the darkness and screeches to a halt in front of him, it's the start of another far from ordinary year at Hogwarts for Harry Potter. Sirius Black escapes after Harry. In his first ever examination class, Professor Froilan sees an omen of death in Harry's tea leaves. But perhaps most terrifying of all are the Dementors patrolling the school grounds with their soul-sucking kiss. Then the Goblet of Fire. There will be 3 tasks spaced throughout the school year, and I will test the champions in many different ways. The magical power, their daring, their powers of deduction, and of course, their ability to cope with danger. The Triwizard Tournament is to be held at Hogwarts. Only wizards who are over 17 are allowed to enter, but that doesn't stop Harry dreaming that he will win the competition. Then, at Halloween, when the Goblet of Fire makes its selection, Harry is amazed to find his name in one of those that the magical cup takes out. He will face death-defying tasks, dragons and dark wizards, but with the help of his best friends Ron and Hermione, he must just take it through alive.
Have you already watched the movie of this?
Then, the Order of the Phoenix. You are sharing the dark through the thoughts and emotions. The headmaster
These are
thinks it's inadvisable for this to continue. He wishes me to teach you how to close your mind to the Dark Lord. Dark times have come to Hogwarts. After the Dementors' attack on his cousin Dudley, Harry Potter knows that Voldemort will stop at nothing to find him. There are many who deny the Dark Lord's return, but Harry is not alone. A secret order gathers at the Grimmauld Place to fight against the dark forces. Harry must allow Professor Snape to teach him how to protect himself from Voldemort's savage assault on his mind. But they are growing stronger by the day, and Harry is running out of time.
You're already very good at reading.
Then,
This is cute. Right?
yes, then the Half-Blood Prince. There it is, and there it was, hanging in the sky above the school. The blazing green skull of a certain prince, the marked Death Eaters left behind whenever they had entered the building, wherever they had murdered. When Dumbledore arrives at Private Drive one summer night to collect Harry Potter, his wand and is blackened and twisted, but he does not reveal why. Secrets and suspicion are spreading through the wizard world, and Hogwarts itself is not safe. Harry is convinced that Malfoy bears the Dark Mark. There is a Death Eater amongst them. Harry will need powerful magic and true friends as he explores Voldemort's darkest secrets, and Dumbledore prepares him to face his destiny.
Exciting.
And then the last one,
Yeah,
Deathly Hallows. Give me Harry Potter, said Voldemort's voice, and none shall be harmed. Give me Harry Potter, and I shall leave the school untouched. Give me Harry Potter, and you will be rewarded. As he climbs into the sidecar of Hagrid's motorbike and takes to the skies, leaving Private Drive for the last time, Harry Potter knows that Lord Voldemort and the the Death Eaters are not far behind. The protective charm that has kept Harry safe until now is broken, but he cannot keep hiding. The Dark Lord is breathing fear into everything Harry loves, and to stop him, Harry will have to find and restore the remaining Horcruxes. The final battle must begin. Harry must stand and face his enemy.
Okay, that is book 7.
The last
You want to get one to read?
yes, of course, the first one, Mama. We had it.
Yeah, after you read that, then it's my turn to read it.
Yes, Mama, but now you need to concentrate on reading the Dutch version of the Order of the Phoenix.
Here, guys. And you will start reading the book 1.
It's not. Okay, guys, this was it. One day I will read the last one, and then I will
You will
read
read
them all.
the outfit.
But no, Mama, no. Okay, bye, guys, and see you next time.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
Yes.